In this video, we are going to see that after completion of this particular project, how we can extract some important closing reports once we are done. So from the main section, we just head over to accounting and click on the reporting. Now the most important reports that I will extract here is the trial balance, profit or loss, and balance sheet. We will also extract the journal ledger report so that if you want to see the ledger details of each ledger that is shown in the trial balance, you can show it here. So from the reporting, just first of all, click on the trial balance, and the trial balance will look something like this, which shows the initial balance separately and then the transactions during the period and then the closing balance. But this is set only for July. If you want to set it for the complete year, you can just filter it from here and choose year, and that's how it will show up. It will not show the initial balance now, and it will show us the debit and credit for the complete 2025. So the balance on the debit and credit side is like this, showing the total at the bottom. And if you want to check the ledger details of some ledger, like let's say cash, just click on this particular ledger or on any particular balance, and you should be able to see the details about it. Let's go back to the trial balance just by clicking on the trial balance. Let me just show you again. Just click on the trial balance from here. It says back to trial balance. And let's say that now if you want to export this, we have the PDF option and XLS option. Just click here and the download will automatically start. It's downloaded and it looks something like this. As you can see, it's a very simple template, easily understandable, and that's how you can extract the trial balance report. What I'll do is I'll attach this report with the resources section of this video so that you can check this. After that, let's move to the next one, which is a profit and loss account. And if you want to expand all of this, unfold all, just click on this post entries accrual in this, unfold all, and it will be shown like this. Now you can adjust the time period if you want. I have already set it to year, and then click on PDF. Let's see how it looks in the PDF. Download again will start immediately and it will look something like this. Again, a very simple report, and it looks kind of the SAP Business One report. That's also very simple. So in ERPs, the report is very simple and you can configure it however you want. Just click on the reporting and click on balance sheet for the next one. And let's set it to end of year, and the balances will show up like this. And you can click on unfold all if you want to see the further details of it. And after that, just click on XLS to export. And now all of these reports will be exported in the downloads section. So if we open this reports also a very simple template and looks like this. So I will attach all of these reports with the resources section of this video, and that's how we extract it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.